We welcome each and every one of you for this broadcast of ours. When we look at what's happening in the world, the present situation, we look at the pandemic and how people are, struggling, the fears that people are going through, the hardships that people are going through, the effects that it's having on people's lifestyles, emotions. We just wonder what exactly is happening. So many of us are confused, so many of us do not know, or are living in insecurity or in fears ourselves, not knowing maybe it's going to be around the corner, or maybe it's just coming next door to us. And what should we do? How should we face it? How should we overcome? Today I want to address this subject. I'm not going to be speaking on the medical side because I'm not a medical expert, but I do have people with me who have been through this experience and have come out of it. So today we will be discussing with people who've passed through COVID, who've had their own experiences with it, and have come out victorious. They have come out successful. They've come out fighting. They've come out strong. And today, their experience is going to be an encouragement for you and for me, that when and if it is around our corner or in our house, how should we face it? So today we have with us three guests who will be sharing their heart out to you so that you could be encouraged, so that you could be strong, and so that you can overcome your fears. So shall we introduce our guests to you? So we have with us Sandesh Desai and his wife Chaitra, and we have also Santoshi with us. Yeah, they have been people who've gone through this experience, and you can see them smiling now. Yeah, yeah. But when they were struck by that sickness at that time, oh, there was no smiles at that time. Yeah, the fears that you went through, and if you could just explain how it began, and like one at a time, we'll go through how it began and what was your inner struggle, because everybody is with fears. Everybody's struggling. So maybe we could start with you and then go at one at a time.
Okay. It was when it happened. Actually, I didn't know that I have got COVID. It just happened that I was not feeling well. I was getting the first symptoms was I got getting cough, abnormal cough. When just started, I said I don't have cold, but why this cough is coming up?
So the cough was kind of an itchy,
Itchy,
scratchy
itchy. Yeah.
cough.
And even I drank water, it was not stopping.
Okay.
Even I gargled, it was not stopping. Something different.
Okay.
But I had never experienced this kind of cough. It just comes. Even if you try to stop it, it doesn't stop. You just get the cough. It just comes out. I came home and maybe in the evening I got it. So after work I came home. I had bath and I went to sleep, but the cough didn't stop. And the next morning when I got up, we had to go somewhere out. So I and my wife said we'll just visit and come back. But I said you go. I'll be in the car. And because I was feeling very drained out, I was completely tired. I don't know what was happening. My legs were aching. My body was draining. I said, please go, finish your work and come. By the time evening came, I got fever.
Okay.
And like I couldn't get up. I was just lying on the bed. I just got up. I said, I can't do it. I can't do it. Then my wife said, something is very abnormal with you. Like the symptoms are, like she could find that something is wrong. Please have a test. So I said, what will be wrong? Maybe normal fever. But just go. He said, no. Please have a test. So we have a friend of ours who's been to a nurse. She's a nurse. So I just called her up. I said, so things are happening that I'm getting a cough, fever and body ache. She said, just come tomorrow. We'll have a test. And normally I went next morning I went, had a test and I came back. And I knew nothing would be there, just a normal cold and that's.
Because your expectation of COVID was, if you could just tell me that, because before we can go further,
Yeah.
your expectation of COVID must have been something very drastic, very,
Yeah,
very severe.
yeah, because we seen the news that it is very drastic. People go bad. They have a breathing problem or they collapse, something like that.
Okay.
Very very. Where people will just die.
Yeah.
That
So
kind
that
of situation.
fears were there in, in the back of your
Yes,
mind of COVID.
yes.
Okay.
So, but the symptoms what I got was completely different.
Yeah.
So, by the time the next day after the test was done, I got a result in the evening saying that I'm positive. And, what's this? I'm positive. How can I be positive in this? Because I don't have those kind of symptoms, but people have. I told my wife, I'm positive. And it was like full chaos in the house.
Yeah, because you've got a child,
yes,
you've got,
yes.
you all are living in a joint family.
Yes, yes.
Then, so definitely the fears would be
It was
from you, it will spread to others.
correct, correct.
Yeah.
The whole thing. And I like, more than the COVID thing, what will the neighbors say?
Yeah. That's another.
That's the whole. I mean, what I should do now? Should I tell someone, or should I go from here? And after once you get a result, the people who call you make you more, give you more fear. They'll tell you, okay, you don't go anywhere out. Be at home. Tell your people to be at home. Don't go anywhere. We'll send the ambulance. I said, this is too much. I said, I'm normal. I just have a fever. Fever stopped. Nothing is better, but I'm positive. that was like more than the COVID, the people's problem that what people will see now. Will they boycott this whole family, the full area? It was by fear.
Yeah. So you did not go into the extreme side of
Yes.
it. So your symptoms, you had the fever, you had the cough, you had the weakness in your
Correct.
body, you were drained, but it did not go to the extreme side. So like in that sense, God was with you
Yes,
and He
yes,
helped you,
very
He
much.
protected you. But there was also a mental battle
Yes, yes,
in that
very much.
entire process. So the mental battle is also another struggle that
Correct.
people go through, which we will get back to.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you जे सांगत असले,
Yeah.
you were with him
Yeah,
during
yeah.
the whole time, and everything was fine with you all.
Yeah.
पण तू आता पळयताय आनी तुका गमन येता की ताका कोविड
COVID
जाला
जाला.
म्हूण. तर तुजे भितर कितें झूज कमी
या
जालें?
एक्चुली ब्रदर तेणे जेन्ना म्हटल्यार तेका जेन्ना ते सिम्टम्स येयलेले तेन्ना म्हाका पयलो फियर येयलेलो. हांव नको तेका येयलो जाय पूण म्हाका पयलो फियर येयलेलो कित्याक हांव चड न्यूज पळयतालें आनी म्हाका हें दिसोंक लागलें की बेबी आसा घरा कडेन आनी मामी म्हाजी मातशी आनी आमी जॉयंट फॅमिलीन रावता. सो हांवें जेन्ना तेका टेस्ट करूंक लायलो म्हाका एके सायडीन दिसतालें की तेजो पॉझिटीव येतलो म्हणून. पूण मागीर हांवें मामीक आनी तेका जोर येतकूच रोखडेंच तेका आमच्या अंकलागेर धाडलें जी आमच्या वयर रावता घर तेंचें. आनी तें जावन हांव तेज्याच फुड्यान आसलेलें. सो जेन्ना म्हाका दिसलेलें की म्हाकाय जातोलें म्हणून तें. पूण हांव जेन्ना तेणें सांगलें की आमी तेज्या आदले दिसा भायर गेलेलीं म्हणून. एक्चुली हांव बरें नाहलेलें त्या दिसा म्हणून आमी भायर गेलेलीं. आनी जेन्ना तेका कोवीड जाला तें कळलें हांव म्हाज्या मोतीन चिंत्तालें हांव बरें ना आनी मागीर आतां तेका कोवीड जाला कित्याक आमी जायते आयकलां कोमॉर्बिडिटीसाचें बीन आनी कोणाची इम्युनिटी बरी ना तांकां मागीर चड त्रास जाता म्हणून. सो म्हाज्या हितून म्हाका दिसतालें की म्हाजी इम्युनिटी वीक आसा म्हणून. सो म्हाजे कडेन जातोलें झुजपाक काय जावचें ना म्हाजी बॉडी आय हॅड इश्यूज. सो म्हाका दिसतालें की म्हाजे कडेन जातोलें काय जावचें ना. बट हांवें म्हाज्या लायफान सुपरनॅचुरल स्ट्रेंथ पयली त्या टायमार. म्हणल्यार हांव न्हू कशें म्हाका बरें दिसोंक लागलें आनी मागीर तेजें हांव तेका सर्व करूंक लागलें.
In your statement, you made one word you spoke that तूं चड
न्यूज पळयतालें हय.
तर न्यूज पळोवन करून भिरांत चड वाडली.
चड वाली म्हणल्यार हांव एक्स्ट्रा केअरफूल कशें आहलेलें चड नाका आहलेल्या बाबतीन चड चिंत्तालें कित्याक पळयलेलें आमी ज्यो न्यूजार इंटरनॅशनल न्यूज आसलो तो इंटरनॅशनल मागीर नॅशनल न्यूजाचेर पळयतालें आनी इवन लोकल न्यूजाचेर हांव पळयतालें यंग लोकांक हें जाता 29 years old लोक मरता मागीर खूब हे तरणाटे लोकांक हें जाता म्हणून. सो मागीर म्हाका भितर हें जाता कित्याक आमी आयकल्लें सामकें तें कंटेजियस म्हणून. म्हणल्यार एका मनशा कडल्यान दुसऱ्या मनशाक स्प्रेड जावपाक कांयच न्हू हे एका लागता तेका लागता अशें. पूण आमी जेन्ना पळयलें म्हणल्यार हांव पूण तेज्या वांगडाच आसलेलें आनी म्हाका दिसतालें की हांव पॉझिटीव आहलें म्हणून. पूण जेन्ना मामीक आनी म्हाज्या आतां मामीचें आनी सांगता मामीक आनी चेडवाक जेन्ना ती बरी ना जाली तिंचो जेन्ना रिपोर्ट येयलो पॉझिटीव म्हणून कळलें तेन्ना चेडवाक म्हाज्या 3 hours कितें फिवर येयलेलो 102 जालोलो तेजो फिवर आनी मागीर तेका वॉमिटींग जातालें. सो मागीर तेजें वॉमिटिंगाचें मेडिसीन आनी वॉमिटींग जावन सारकें ड्रेन जालेलें तें. सो तो एक स्ट्रगल आहलेलो आमकां कित्याक हॉस्पिटलान वचोन तें भुरगें म्हणून तेका दोत्ता म्हणटालो बिकॉज शी इज अंडर 10 years old आनी तेका हॉस्पिटलान दोत्ता म्हणूंक लागली ती. बट जशें तुवें आमकां म्हणल्यार तुका आमी फोन केलो आनी मागीर तुवें आमकां जशें गायड केलें हें केलें सो आमी एनकरेज जालीं तितून आनी हांवें म्हटलें की नाका तेका दवरपाक. आमी हाडलें तेका इवन देवाचेर आमी पातयेन हाडलें तेका की देवा तूंच सांबाळटलो म्हणून. मागीर तें आतां तितके पासून मामी म्हाजी बरी आहलेली मागीर तेका घराट दुसरे दिसा मामी बरी ना जाली. बरी ना जाली म्हणल्यार तिका चड दीस त्रास जाले तिका म्हणल्यार ती सारकी ब्लोटींग जातालें तिका तिच्या पोटान त्रास जातालो तिका टॉयलेट सारको जायनासलेलो तिका जोर येतालो जोर म्हणल्यार तिका 5 days जोर आहलेलो. आनी न्हीद पडनासलेली ताका. न्हीद म्हटल्यार ताका 10 दीस कितें जॅम सारकी पडनासलेली. आनी जेन्ना तुवें संदेशाक विचारलेलें की तेजे कितें आयडियाज आसलेले कोविडा विशीं, तशें म्हाजे कितें आयडियाज आसलेले की कोवीड येता तेन्ना आमी आयकलां त्या प्रमाणे 5-4 दीस असो जोर येता आनी फिवर येताच म्हणून. हे आतां सिम्पटम्स तेजे सारके. फिवर सगल्यांक येता, मागीर कॉफ सगल्यांक येता. हे 2 वस्ती आनी ब्रेथलेसनेस थोड्या
what
जाणांक
you
जाता.
had
या
also.
आय हॅड. बट म्हाका तरी फिवरूच येवंक नासलेलो. सो आमी जें कितें चिंतलां, जें कितें आयकलां तें सगळें सारकें आसतलें हेंच ना,
Yes,
सारकें ना. कित्याक
yes.
एक एकट्याचो तो एक्सपिरियन्स डिफरंट आसता. एक एकट्याची बॉडी डिफरंट भाशेन रिएक्ट करता.
Absolutely.
सो जेन्ना हे सगळें जातालें मेंटली खूब स्ट्रगल जातालें हांव. मेंटली कित्याक म्हाकाच सगळें पळोवचें पडटालें. दो आमची फॅमिली आसली, आमकां फॅमिलीन खूब हेल्प केला. म्हणल्यार फॅमिलीन आमकां सपोर्ट केला. इवन रिलेटिव्स जशें तेणें सांगलेलें की आमी चिंत्तालीं की रिलेटिव्स कितें म्हणटले काय म्हणून. कित्याक विलेजान कोणाक ना, वाड्यार कोणाक ना, आनी आमी पयलीं आसप आनी दॅट टू वी आर बॉर्न अगेन क्रिस्टियन्स. आनी आमी सदांच आमी जाणा आमचो देव आमकां प्रोटेक्ट करता म्हूण, पूण देवान हें परमीट केलें आमच्या जिवितान हें जावपाक. म्हणल्यार तें आमकां सारकें कशें फेस करतलीं आसलेलीं. आनी हांव रडटालें देवा कडेन, देवा आमकां जालें आनी आमच्या वाड्यान आमकां पयलीं जालें, लोक कितें म्हणटलो. बट द नॅक्स्ट डे ओन्ली तिंका कित्याक पंचायतीन सगल्यांक कळटा, रिपोर्ट पंचायतीक वयता आनी आमचे शेजारी जे आसलेले ते पंचायत पंच ती. सो तिंका जेन्ना रिपोर्ट येयलो, दे कॉल्ड अस अप. दे कॉल्ड अस अप एंड दे सेड दॅट तुमकां कितें हेल्प जाय जाल्यार आमी दिता. So the villagers also supported us with that.
So you all not get admitted in the hospital. You
No.
all chose to be home
Home
quarantine.
quarantine.
But the good thing was that you all were not on the extreme side. Though your daughter was a little
Yeah.
because of
her oxygen. Yeah.
because of her vomiting and oxygen level.
Yeah.
She was a little on the severe side.
Severe side.
And your mother also had a little severity.
Yeah.
But the good thing was that they came out of it
Yeah,
strong.
yeah.
They did not go to the
Extremes.
Yeah, so many a times the news that we hear, we should not take everything from it.
Yeah, true.
Because some of it can be exaggerated, some of it is true. I'm
Yeah.
not saying it is not true, but some of it can be exaggerated beyond the limit and put fear into man.
Correct.
And that's what is happening everywhere.
Yeah.
Before it can even come to you, you are scared about it. You know,
Yeah.
people are so scared today. I get callers telling me, brother, I've got cough. Just for a small cough, brother, my throat is itching. Please pray for me. If somebody sneezes, they just phone me and they say, brother, I'm sneezing. Could you just pray for me? Small things like this, which we would have never even bothered. Today, people are scared and giving me calls for that. So we'll go to our next. Santoshi. Now, Santoshi's case, like your mother's past history was like she had sickness issues. So she would have been, her immunity definitely would not have been very good. Because of her sickness situation. And I'm sure you must have also had it, but you never even knew that you had it. Could you tell us about your experience, yours and your mother's experience?
एक्चुली फर्स्ट म्हाका थंडी जाल्ली आनी बॉडी पेन जाताली. सो 2-4 दीस अशी बॉडी पेन आसलेली म्हाका आनी ती आनी हांवें टॅबलेट डोलो 650 टॅबलेट्स घेतलेली म्हाका. आनी ती डोलो एटलिस्ट मातशी तरी बॉडी पेन कमी जावंक जाय न्हू. सो हांव चिंत्तालें बॉडी पेन कित्याक कमी जायना, कितें तरी म्हाका तरी मातशें हें जाल्लें, कितें तरी हें जातालें. तरी मागीर पॅरासिटामॉल टॅबलेटान म्हाजी ती जाली. 4-5 डेसान म्हाजी थंडी बरी जाली. पण म्हाका ज्या दिसा जाली नेक्स्ट डे म्हाज्या आईक जाली थंडी. सेम सिम्पटम्स तिकाय थंडी आनी बॉडी पेन. आनी ती आमी आतां म्हाजी थंडी बरी जाली न्हू. सो कॉमन कोल्ड अशी
And now your
चिंतल्या.
mother's age is
66 years.
66 years. Okay.
आनी तिका शी इज अ कॅन्सर पेशंट.
Cancer patient.
या ते हांव कॅन्सर म्हाजीच मागीर उलयतां.
Yeah.
आनी तिका थंडी जाली. मागीर हांव चिंतलें ती नॉर्मल कॉमन कोल्ड आसतलें म्हणून. सो तिकाय स्टीम दिली आनी बाकीचे तिका टॅबलेट्स दिले अशें हांव घरान केलें. मागीर तिका जायना जालें तिजें बरें. सो आमचे बाबाची कंपनीच्या हॉस्पिटलान व्हयलें तिका एमपीटीन. तिका मागीर सिरप दिले आनी टॅबलेट्स दिले आनी त्या सिरपान न्हू तिका बरें दिसपाक लागलें. तिचे कफ आहा ते पळय भायर पडपाक लागलो तिचो अक्को. आनी त्या रात्री न्ही खूबच कफ ती रातची खोकली म्हणून तिचो अक्को कफ भायर पडलो. पण ते कफ ती खोकली येवन न्हू तिका हें जावपाक लागलें, ताप येयलो तिका, फिवर येयलो. तरी पण हांव म्हणटा ते नॉर्मल अशी कोल्ड आसतली म्हणून हांवें सिरियस घेवंक ना. ओके जातली म्हणून. पण नेक्स्ट डे ती म्हाका म्हणपाक लागली सोनी आपल्याच्यान जायना, म्हाका बरें दिसना म्हणपाक लागलें. मागीर हांवें मागीर भयणीक आनी भावाक बी फोन मारले, ती बरी ना, बरीच ना तिका म्हणून. मागीर हांवें मॉर्निंग अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग जालें न्हू तें, ती म्हणपाक लागली आपल्याक बरें दिसना म्हणून. सो हांवें मागीर तेमकां येता म्हणल्यार टायम आसा म्हणून हांवें मागीर एम्बुलंसाक कॉल केलो. एम्बुलंसाक कॉल करून आमी चिकालीम व्हयलें तिका. चिकालीम व्हयल्या काय तिका ती मागीर तिका थंय फर्स्ट थ्रोट स्वॅब टेस्ट केलो. मागीर तिका एडमीट करून दवरलें. थंय तिजें ऑक्सिजन लेवल फर्स्ट चॅक केलें. तिचें ऑक्सिजन लेवल 91 आसलेलें. सो त्या खातीर तिका ऑक्सिजन पयलीं लायलें आनी मागीर ती नॉर्मलान येयली ऑक्सिजन लेवलान. मागीर तिजो रिपोर्ट लेट इवनिंगान येयलो आनी हांव कॉन्फिडन्स जाता की नॅगेटीव येतलो म्हणून. चिंतोकूच नासलेलें हांवें ती पॉझिटीव जाता, कित्याक ती घरानूच आसताली. एक्चुली हांव भायर वयतालें, कामाक वयतालें आनी येवन बी सगळे हात बी धुवपाचे, न्हांवतालें, सगळे प्रिकॉशन्स घेतलेले, इतले प्रिकॉशन्स घेवन बी. सो जावचें ना, नॉर्मल कोल्ड आसतली म्हणून. तें जालें. मागीर तिचो लेट इवनिंग पॉझिटीव रिपोर्ट येयलो, सेम डे रिपोर्ट येयलो. सो हांव शॉक जालें तिचेर पॉझिटीव रिपोर्ट पळोवन. पण म्हाजी स्ट्रेस न्हू, एक्चुली न्यूज पळोवन फर्स्ट आमी भिताली आनी ती भिताली एक्चुली. ती आमी सदां च्या पिता आसतना न्यूज सगळी पळयताली आमी आनी ती पयलीं फियरान आसताली चडशी. पण म्हाका तेमचे जे कोण मरता पळय, म्हाका मातशें बेजार दिसतालें तेमचे त्या लोकांचे. पण फियर अशें तितलें येवंक नासलेलें, पण तिचे भितर तो फियर आसलेलो आनी हांव शॉक जालें. पण म्हाजें कितें तेणी तिका पॉझिटीव रिपोर्ट येयलो न्हू, तेन्ना ते डॉक्टरान म्हणलें तिका ESN शिफ्ट करचें पडटलें. तिका ती एज बी आसा आनी तिका शिफ्ट करचें पडटलें म्हणलें. सो हांवें आयकलेलें की न्यूजाचेरूच आयकलेलें आनी कोणाकडच्यान आयकलेलें की जे कोवीड पेशंट आसता पळय तांकां एकटे दवरता, अलोन दवरता. आनी म्हाजी आई कशी हँडल करतली, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तिका उलोवपाक येयना. तिजें कॅन्सराचें ऑपरेशन जालें न्हू, तेन्ना तिजें वॉयस गेलो आनी तिजें कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तिजें ऑपरेशन जालें
She
कॅन्सर.
was in a complicated situation.
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केस आसली तिची. तिका मागीर तिची कॅन्सराचें हांव फर्स्ट सांगता आतां तिजें. तिची कॅन्सराचें ऑपरेशन जालें न्हू, तिका विंड पायप आनी फूड पायपाक ती कॅन्सराची गांठ आसलेली. ती तेणी मागीर ऑपरेशन करून काडलें तें आनी तिजें तो विंड पायप आहा पळय, तिका स्वास घेवपाक तिका हांगा होल केला तिका. आनी ती ब्रिथींग ती हांच्यान घेता डायरेक्टली आनी तिचें तें पोट आहा पळय, तें पोट तें वयर काडलां आनी तें हांगा ह्या गळ्या कडेन बसयलां.
Okay.
सो ताका गॅस्ट्रीक पुलअप म्हूण म्हणटा.
Yeah.
गॅस्ट्रीक पुलअप म्हूण म्हणटा. सो तिका आमी जेवणाचो प्रॉब्लम, सो ती जेवता तिजें जेवप बी इतलें कमी. एक ल्हान भुरगें जेयता पळय सेम तशें जेवप, सॉफ्ट जेवप, पातळ अशें. सो ऑब्वियसली तिका इम्युनिटी प्रॉब्लम आसतलेच. सो ती तिका विकनेस मेळ्ळा तिका आनी मागीर तिका हॉस्पिटलान तिका शिफ्ट केलें. तोच म्हाका पयलीं टेन्स जाल्लें. कोविडाचें म्हाका ती पॉझिटीव येयली तितलो टेन्स जावंक ना, पण ती एकटी कशी रावतली, तिजें जावचें ना. ती फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तिका तिजें आपलें सेल्फ केअर करपाक तिका जावचें ना. सो हांव देवा कडेन तेंच मागतालें आनी सगळ्यांक सिस्टरीक फर्स्ट फोन केला हांवें. पयलीं भावाक कळयलें की अशें पॉझिटीव येयलां आनी तिका ESN शिफ्ट करता म्हणून. मागीर सिस्टरीक फोन मारलो सिस्टर श्वेताक. मागीर सिस्टर श्वेताक सांगलें अशें ती बरी ना, तिका पॉझिटीव मेळ्ळा म्हणून. मागीर तिणें म्हटलें भिनाका, आमी मागण्यांत दवरता, देव आसा, आमी मागण्यांत दवरया, भिनाका तूं, रडनाका म्हणपा लागलें. सो तें जालें. मागीर हांवें खरें सांगू ब्रदर, हांवें देवाचो प्रेजन्स आनी देव खरो आमचे बरो आसलेलो त्या टायमार. कित्याक सांग, हांवें आयकलेलें की मिन्स लोकां सांगतालीं की अशें वचोंक मेळना पेशंटा बरोबर. पण जेन्ना तिका शिफ्ट करताली, एम्बुलंस येयलो तिका ESN व्हरपाक, शिफ्ट करपाक, तेन्ना एकटे मनशान म्हटलें हेजे वांगडा कोण वयता. सो हांव रेडी जालें वचपाक. सो तो एक मिरेकल कसो म्हाज्या खातीर. देव आसलेलो म्हाज्या बरोबर आनी देवान तें फेवर केलें, देवाचें बरेंपण हांवें तें चाखलें.
कितें जाता न्हू, चड करून जेन्ना आमी टीव्हीचेर पळयलां कोण कोविडा पेशंटा सांगाता वयता या कोविडा पेशंटा सांगाता रावता, ती आख्खें सूट घालून,
हय
तोंड बंद करून आनी ग्लव्स घालून ते सगळें घेवन करून. पूण पळोवंक गेल्यार नाव यू वर विथ युअर चायल्ड, यू वर विथ हिम, बट दॅट सिव्हियरिटी of what we saw and how you all have overcome is totally different.
Yeah,
So
correct.
basically we need to understand the severe cases we need to be extra careful for.
Yeah.
But for the ones in the house, or when we have been dealing with people around us, it's just a battle of the mind, that fear that people have put. News has fed us with fear. Now if you actually think about her, she had low immunity, I'm sure of it.
Yeah.
She's already a pre-existing sicknesses were there. There was complication with her stomach, with her food, with her digestion issues, and the windpipe
Windpipe,
breathing issues.
breathing issue.
And yet she came out of it strong. That's
Strong,
amazing.
yeah.
That's purely the work of
Work
God.
of God, purely work
Because
of God.
we know of people with weak immunity and people who've been struggling with, breathing and other issues. We know how severe they have become. Some of them have got well, some of them have died and gone.
हय.
Yeah, and God has been good to you. Yeah.
हय. तिका इवन म्हाका अशें दिसता तिका मायल्ड जाल्लो अशें म्हाका अशें दिसता मायल्ड तिका म्हाजें जें
but
प्रमाण दिसता
somebody-
कोरोना मायल्ड तिका जाल्लो पण इवन तिका ती मायल्ड सुद्दां कोरोना आसल्यार सुद्दां तिका ते व्हडलेंच आसलेलें
But
कित्याक तिची
somebody-
सिकनेस तिचे अशें तेजे कितें म्हणटा ती सिकनेस तसो आसलेलो आनी तिची इम्युनिटी प्रॉब्लमूय तसो आसलेलो
Absolutely. That's what I'm saying. Somebody with low immunity cannot get something mild.
या
Like somebody with strong immunity will have the ability to fight it, and that's how it cannot overpower. So I'm sure that your mom, definitely God has been with her, and
sure.
God has
I'm
been
grateful
the
to
one
God,
to bring healing to her body besides the medication that she took. But another thing that I would want to focus on is the role of having the right people around you to encourage you. Because when you look at everybody around you, everybody's speaking fear. You go out to shop, people are scared. You go to buy fish in the market, people are scared. Everybody is scared. You just cough a little and scared. You just sneeze a little and people will look at you. So it's like, if you have people around you who are living in fear, it is contagious. It will spread to you. So it is so important to have the right people, right? So what was your experience about how people around you encouraged you, helped
I
you?
thank God, actually. I was blessed. Like, people didn't even think of themselves to help. Like, her uncle, every time he used to come, ask, you want something? He used to come to the door and ask. Actually, people say they don't even come to you to see, but he used to come, don't even think, don't worry, he used to say, don't worry, I'm there, even I get no problem. But also one more thing happened, that we all four became positive. Being a daughter and my mother-in-law, with being with them, they didn't get positive. The whole family was negative. That was the biggest miracle. I mean,
But
how
the beauty of that family is they also are people of prayer.
prayers, yes,
Yeah, they
yes,
are people
yes.
who read the Bible. And
Correct,
people
correct.
who pray.
Yeah.
So they also have a positive mindset.
yeah.
See, that's the important
Correct,
part that I
correct.
wanted to speak on. Yeah, continue.
Okay. I thank you also, my brother, because every time whenever you used to ask us that how are you, how are you keeping, and take care, and then do this, that you being calling us was a big thing for us. That time we wanted someone, okay, at least someone should listen to us and they ask us how we are, like you, Shweta, and even our people who are in faith, they should call us and ask, like, how are you, are keeping well, and they should give a word of encouragement to give, don't worry, God is there with you, and I'm thankful to God to have this kind of people in our life. So
Yes,
that
basically you had the people to tell you, come on, fear not. Fear not.
Yes,
You will
yes.
pass through this.
Yes.
You will pass. It's not very big. Just keep
Correct,
holding on.
correct.
Keep pressing on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the world around, they don't have hope.
Yes, very
They
true.
don't have hope.
Very
And
true.
if you get somebody to just tell you, you'll get through. Yeah.
Yes,
Come on.
yes.
It's such a mind changer.
Changer,
for us,
yeah, correct, very true.
What about you, Chaitra?
Yeah, for me it was like because I had to be with my daughter also. Like when she would go to the hospital, when I would take her to the hospital, I had to be there with her. And when my mother also, when she was not well, I had to go with her. When I was not well, I had to go. And at that time, every time I would remember you, like, because I knew you would give some encouraging word, because I would be thinking only about the news that I heard. And for me, whatever you spoke and whatever Reena spoke and whatever Shweta spoke was like a big thing at that time. Because when everyone is speaking negative, because everyone is afraid of this. सगळी जाणां बिलाब जाता काय कितें जाता कित्याक कोणाक सारकें खबर ना. जेन्ना लोक इतके मोत्ता इतके बरें ना जाता तेन्ना आयकतालीं तेन्ना आमकां म्हणल्यार भंय दिसतालो. पूण जे डेली डिवोशनल जे तुजे आयकताले, दो आय वॉज एडिटींग इट वॉज अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर मी ओनली. अँड मागीर जे टिचिंग्स आसलेले संडे प्रिचिंग्स जे आसलेले, इवन द वर्शीप अँड वॉट एवर यू वूड स्पीक टू अज ओवर द फोन, लायक आय रिमेंबर तुका एका दिसाक आमी कितलेच फावटी फोन केलेलो आसा, बट एवरी टायम यू एनकरेज्ड अस. लायक it is very important to have people of faith around us, like my uncle also, who is in faith. त्या टायमार तेंची एनकरेजमेंट आसो अंकलाची एनकरेजमेंट जशें तेणें सांगलां म्हाजो अंकल आनी ही हॅज अ प्रेशर प्रॉब्लम एंड माय डॉटर एंड माय मदर यूज टू स्टे विथ देम आनी तेजे बायलेक आस्माचे प्रॉब्लम आसा
Oh my.
या एंड तेजे चेडवाची एग्जाम्स आसलेली
Okay.
थर्ड इयराची फायनल एग्जाम
Yeah.
थर्ड सेमेस्टर लास्ट सेमेस्टराची आनी ती तेंच्या वांगडा आसून 3 दीस बिकॉज तेंचो टेस्ट करून 3 दिसांनी तेंकां रिपोर्ट मेवला
Yeah.
सो वेन टेस्ट जालो तेन्ना ती पॉझिटीव आसली म्हणजे 3 दीस ती पॉझिटीव आसलेली एंड स्टील देआर रिपोर्ट केम नेगेटीव
Wow.
तेंची तेका कांयच प्रॉब्लम
And
नासलेले
imagine asthma,
आस्थमा
pressure problem.
problem.
Imagine what complications
Yeah.
it would have been.
Yeah.
How God has been
Yeah,
good. Yeah?
good. And they are also born again Christians. They are also people of faith. And every time they would encourage my mother because म्हाका जेन्ना हॉस्पिटलान वयचें पडटालें तेन्ना शी वूड टेक स्ट्रेस एका एकट्याकूच वयचें पडटा अशें जातालें तिका बट गॉड प्रोटेक्टेड हर एंड द बीग टेस्टिमनी वॉज हर मदर्स बिकॉज शी हॅड ऑलरेडी रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम दॅट
Yes.
and for us that was another encouragement because her mother was a cancer patient and she being aged also and having pre-existing conditions still she recovered. So her testimony was another encouragement for
Amazing,
us. Yeah.
amazing. Yeah. So about people, like as I was telling them, like how important you feel it is to have people around you to speak good, positive encouragement. Like
ब्रदर एक सांगूंक सोदता हांव एक जे आतां पॅन्डेमीक स्टार्ट आहा न्हू ह्या पिरियडान सपोज तुवें जाल्यार हे ऑनलायन सर्वीस स्टार्ट करना जाल्यार न्हू एक्चुली आमी कितें म्हणटा भुकें रावपाचें म्हणटा आमी मिन्स आमचो एक्चुली तूं सदांच म्हणटा न्हू ब्रदर की आमच्या शरिराक जशें जेवण जाय पडटा तशें आमच्या आत्म्याक बी जेवण जाय पडटा तशेंच एक देवा वर्ड ऑफ गॉड एक खूब खूब इम्पॉर्टन्स आसा आमच्या फॉर स्पिरिच्युअल ग्रोथ सो आतां सपोज 5 म्हयने जशें तुवें सपोज हे आमकां भायर वचपाक खंय मेळना आसलेलें पण सपोज तुवें ऑनलायन सर्वीस स्टार्ट करना जाल्यार न्हू आमी खंय ना खंय आमी चिड्डोवपाची आमची स्पिरिच्युअल ग्रोथ चिड्डोवपाची आनी आमकां हे डिफिकल्टी जे आमच्या जिवितान येयल्ले पळय ते फायट करपाक न्हू आमी मातशें लो पडपाची हें हांव सांगूंक सोदता सो फॉर दॅट आय थँकफूल टू यू ब्रदर जे तुवें हें केल्या बद्दल आनी सिस्टर श्वेतान बी खूब एनकरेजींग केलें आमकां आनी आख्खी टिमीन बी म्हाज्या आई खातीर तेमी मागलें न्हू मिन्स आपलो टायम काडून तेमी म्हाज्या आई खातीर तेमी मागणें केलें सो तेमच्या खातीर बी हांव खूब थँकफूल आहा सांगता अशें हांव
so
सांगता
also, yeah, we'll go to the other part. Is now we spoke about news, and so when you look at how the news is being put into people, like thousands here, 2000 there, 100 there, 500 there, and everybody who keeps reading it every day, does it not play in your psychology? Like, when you think about your situation, when you saw COVID happening before you, what the first thing that must have struck you is the news that you've been reading. The pictures of Italy definitely come to your mind. Coffins after coffins after coffins. So that's why it's so important to take the right stuff. News is good. It's good to see the news, read the news. It's good. I'm not saying you should not, but if you overload yourself with that news will begin to haunt you. Yeah. So I'm sure that must have happened to you all as well. If you have anything to speak on that, on how that news before you even got COVID, how that news, because like say we had those lockdown days and we were all locked in the house. We used to go marketing, but then there was news that was there behind our mind which would prevent us or haunt us kind of. Amka zainala pura, that kind of. If you have anything to share on that, any one of you.
Nothing to share. For me, actually, it was not this thing. I don't know from where God gave me strength. That news they might get. I believe that I'll be recovering from that. That news thing didn't haunt me so much. But for my wife, it was a little bit of
But
struggle.
definitely there must have been that fear if I get my family
Yes,
issues, my
very,
child
very,
issues.
yeah. So
because that the news impact is definitely there whether we
Correct.
see it or not. Because I may come out of it, but what about my family? Because
Yes.
people are thinking of their family as
that's
well.
true. That's true, brother.
Yeah.
What happened? Most of them, she used to get scared of the news. Like you, even now, like when I go for work, I come out, I have to put surface spray on my body and enter the house. So she was very careful about it. And I should take care, but it so happened that I was positive. But more than me, she was struggling more of the news.
So what would you advise people who watch too much?
Yeah, actually, brother, we used to watch the news on national television, but every day on one particular channel, go on local channel, we there would be live news. So live news as well around 6 o'clock. So every day without missing, we would listen to that news. पोवपाक की आमच्या लागीं पावला काय, हूंय पावला काय, सेंटाक्रुजान आनीक हूंय आसा काय, हांगासर आसा काय, थंय आसा काय, कितले लागीं पावला. ओके, पेंजीम तर जाला केसी आनी पेंजीम वयपाचें ना. इवन सेंटाक्रुज मार्केटान जाल्यार मार्केटान वयपाचें ना. सो दॅट वॉज द कायंड वी वॉन्टेड टू नो आतां हूंय पावला. आनी सामको भंय कहो आहलोलो. दो वी बिलीव दॅट गॉड वूड प्रोटेक्ट, एंड फॉर अस ऑल्सो इट वॉज लायक गॉड वूड प्रोटेक्ट अस, गॉड वूड प्रोटेक्ट अस. बट एट द बॅक ऑफ अवर मायंड इट वॉज देर, बिकॉज ज्यो केसीस जाताल्यो, इटलीन जे लोक मेलेले, चायनान जे लोक मेलेले, एंड द नंबर वॉज जस्ट इन्क्रीजिंग. अमेरिकन केसीस वाडटाल्यो, इंडियन केसीस वाडटाल्यो कितल्यो. सो आमकां, बिकॉज माय सिस्टर भयणीचे पळोवंक गेल्यार शी इज इन UK, आनी तेजे फ्रेंड्सांक जालेले, बट एंड गॉड प्रोटेक्टेड हर. शी डिडंट गेट, दो शी स्टेड वीथ देम, शी डिडंट गेट. सो फॉर अस ऑल्सो आमकां जाले पासून कांय आमकां जावचेंच ना, कित्याक देव प्रोटेक्ट करतलो. बट जेन्ना जालें, दॅट वॉज लायक अ डिफरंट थिंग. जालें, आतां कितें करपाचें. बट आय नो दॅट God did it for a purpose. God permitted it for a purpose.
Today you are an encouragement.
Yeah, yeah, true. Like when we were, after the COVID was done, when we spoke as a family, my uncle and aunt, because they also believe in Jesus. So when we all sat together and we just got together to pray, to thank God, then they said, these were their words. Didi, my sister said, cousin sister said, she said, Didi, maka boy distalo poili की कोविड जातलो. इवन ती मामी आनी म्हाजी चेडूं तेंच्या वांगडा रावताले तेन्ना आपल्याक भंय दिसलोलो म्हणूंक लागले ते. बट आतां तो भंयच ना. एंड फॉर अस ऑल्सो, दो वी हॅव पास थ्रू इट, एंड वी नो, आनी आमी तर आतां कॅर घेयना जाल्यार पोते जावंक शकता. इट इज नॉट लायक डन एंड गॉन. आतां पोते जावंक शकता, बट आमकां आतां तो भंय ना की आतां कितें जातलें. आनी आमी न्यूज पळोवपाचो ब्रदर सारकें बंद केलेलो आसा. बिकॉज आमी जे फीड केलेलें आमच्या मोतीन, तोच भंय, तोच आमकां हें ग्रास्प करून आसलेलो. And the day, I think Shweta spoke that Sunday, that what you feed yourself with, that is what gets magnified. So जे word ahलेले न्हू ते सारके म्हाज्या पासत आहलेले. I said no watching news, just feeding ourselves with the word of God. And that is what is more important, because जितके आमी word देवाचे घेत रावले तितके healing भितरसान येयली, strength भितरसान येयली. आनी मागीर आमी प्रोटेक्शनूय पळयलें, नॉट फॉर अस बट फॉर अदर एक्सटेंडेड फॅमिली ऑल्सो. सो आमी जे कितें घेता आमच्या भितर तें खूब इम्पॉर्टंट. कित्याक जितके आमी तो वर्ड ऑफ गॉड भितर, न्यूज भितर घेतली तितकेच आमकां भिरांत वाडटली. पूण जितके आमी वर्ड ऑफ गॉड घेतली तितके फेथ वाडटलो, एनकरेजमेंट वाडटलें. सो तें एनकरेजमेंट खूब मॅटर केलें आमच्या लायफान. खूब म्हटल्यार खूब, लायक फॉर मी एट लिस्ट, बिकॉज आय वूड टेक केअर ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम. आय हॅड टू टेक केअर ऑफ माय सेल्फ ऑल्सो. But for me, in everything, God's word was my strength. Yeah.
Yeah, it's so true that what we feed ourselves is very important.
Yeah.
And if you feed yourselves with only fear, then it will destroy you. And so many people today are afraid, afraid of the sickness, afraid of the consequence of the sickness. Some of them are not getting sleep. Because they don't know, they are living in insecurity. And really we give God all the praise for what he has done in your household, in your family. All glory belongs to God. So it's so true. What you feed your mind is very important. What you feed your mind. If you feed zoritor tu आपले मोतीन, आपल्या चिंतनांनी फकत न्यूज आनी भिरांतीचीच खबऱ्यो घालीत जाल्यार तुजे जिवितान तूं भिरांतीन रावतलो. पूण जरी तर तूं देवाचें उतर आनी देवाचे विशीं, भावार्था विशीं उलोवपी तसले लोक तुजे सोर भोंवती दवरल्यार तूं भावार्थान झुजपाक मुखार सरतलो. It's so important what you feed yourself. If you surround yourself with godly people, with the word of God, you'll be able to fight every calamity that comes. The present calamity, I'm not saying it is not a major calamity. I'm not saying that we should not be careful. You should be careful. You should do all that is needed to avoid falling sick. But I want to tell you is to take out that fear from within you. People are living in fear. You look at their story, even they had their fears. But today, when we look at what has happened and how they have come out of it, now we can through their experience, we can say, yes, I can fight it as well. Through their experience, I can tell you, you can fight it as well. But it's not easy. You need God to help you. It's not the medications only. You need God to help you. You need the word of God to help you. You need people of God to give you the strength and the courage to look forward and say, no, you are going to overcome. I want to tell you, there are people today who are living without hope. And if you are one of them, I want to give you hope today. I want to tell you, this pandemic is not the end. We will pass through it. We will overcome it. We will walk through this valley and come out victorious. Just as their story speaks about how they've come out victorious, you will come out victorious. I want to tell you, feed yourself with the right stuff. To be frank with you, I have taken off the cable channel. I've taken off all these dish TVs. And why? Because I don't want to be fed with news and going on bombarding us with stuff that will haunt us throughout the night, throughout the day. Why? Because I know what we feed ourselves is the way we will live the day. That's why I want to tell you. I'm not saying don't watch the news. News पळोवपाचें म्हण न्हय. जे कितें पळोवंक जाय तें पळोवपाचें आनी मागीर परत देवाचे उतरान भितर सरपाचें, देवाचे भावार्थान जियोवपाचें. I want to tell all those who are going through their struggles, feed yourself with the right stuff. I want to tell you also is work on your immunity. You need to work on your food. You need to work on your, on your body, on your physical body. Just as you're working on your spiritual life, work on your physical body as well. But at the same time, put your hope in God, because He is the only one that can protect you, preserve you, and take you through. We've heard the story of Chaitra and Sandesh, their young daughter. She went through a hard time. The daughter did have her hard time. There was a time in that phase for maybe 2 or 3 hours where everything was shaken. But God brought it back in order. We see Santoshi's mother. Her mother's immunity definitely was low. She could not eat food properly. People in her situation, I'm sure, would have passed away. But we see how God has protected her. And today, her story is an encouragement for others. I want to tell you, म्हाका तुका सांगूंक जाय की तूं ह्या झुजांतल्यान पासार जातलो, हितून सान तूं भायर सरतलो. फकत तुवें आपली कुयदाद घेवन देवा सोरशी लागीं सर, ओतमिकायेन वाड, नाका जाल्ल्यो होबऱ्यो बंद कर आयकपाचें, आनी पळय तूं हितून सान जैतिवंत जातलोच. सो गॉड ब्लेस यू.